Look at you. Little baby finding his voice. Her voice. Somebody's voice. I don't know why I do that. They're not like kitty cats. Cute woodpecker baby. Get on down there, dude. Put a whole bunch of that down for you. Come on. Yeah, there. That's also good. No. Oh, you're so cute. Cute woodpecker baby. Oh, that was Blue Jay baby. With the very weird head feathers. Good job, woodpecker baby. Good job. Eat up, dude. It was raining this morning, so some of it's met, but not all of it. And there's Lois. Yay, Mom. Oh, the baby flew away. Good job, Lois. Baby flew away. Good job, Lois. Where's Harvey?